Alan.
I'm Jeannie.
I'm Alan.
And this is Mr. Cameron. Hi, Mr. Cameron, you're here.
The sun goes down, the stars come out. Where are the times gone? My universe will never be the same.
Hi guys, now we're at DaAn station, brown line, but we need to transfer to CE line, the red line, to DaAn Park. So, let's go. Oh my god, what time now? Alan's still not here. Maybe he's waiting for us there.
Hey, we're finally here. We are at DaAn Park Station and exit 5. Now just come with me and I'll show you what's interesting inside. Now let's go.
Cameron, now we're here at DaAn Park and I'll tell you the history of it. Do you know when it began to have DaAn Park here in Taipei? It is officially opened in 1994, but before this area was a household village and they moved out in 1992. So after developing, it has now become a multi-purpose recreational center. And in here we have the ecological pond, amphitheater, and sculpture area, and children playground, basketball court, and clay jogging track, and many more.
Wow, look at there! Our pigeons. Have you ever seen pigeons in a big city? Oh well, yes, you can see it everywhere. Hey, Mr. Cameron, and now here we're inside the DaAn Park, and now you can see there are trees and butterflies and animals everywhere. You can relax your eyes with those green scenery, and as you can see, there are U-bikes available out there, but you cannot ride into the park because they don't want you to ruin the environment here or to disturb people or those little animals here. Here we're heading to the amphitheater. Now just follow me. Hey, we're at the ecological pond, and as you can see, there are birds and ducks and black ducks and white ducks out here, and lots of insects like dragonfly or some bugs or insects here. Be careful not to cross it or you may fall into the pond. It's really dangerous.
Hello everyone, this is the healthy foot paths in DaAn Park. And if you want to have a foot massage, here is the best place for you. You can try it. This can circulate your blood. This can stimulate your blood circulation, and many old people in the morning they come here to have a exercise. And if you want a more intense one, you can take off your shoes and really try the real true foot pads. Let me try it for you. Oh my god! Gosh. This is really intense, you know. I cannot stand it. But for good,
My blood is alive.
I'm alive. My blood is circulating, you know. And this is a great place for you to have an exercise and circulate your blood. And
Hey, do you want to jump or something? Jump,
No!
jump up
okay,
and
no,
down.
No, I don't want to jump. It's killing me right now. Okay. Here is the amphitheater in DaAn Park, and in here we can watch concerts from local bands or orchestra. And I've researched that in this year's November and December there is a public art gallery will be
Right
showed
here.
in here. Yeah. And if you have the chance, you can come here at that time and enjoy the art. So and here is the amphitheater, and in here you can see this can have 900 people to sit. Sometimes on weekends, cram school like Kojen or Joy English and Giraffe, they perform arts here to entertain parents and children on weekends because they don't have time during weekdays, so they perform on weekends.
Here is the basketball court, and the lights here open until midnight, and lots of celebrities likes to play here. And if you are lucky enough, you can meet them and play with them, and even more exciting is that you can take pictures with them.
Hi everyone, here is the fitness center, and over there is a children's playground. If you have children or you want to play to reminisce your childhood times, you can have fun here. Overall, if you want to have a relaxing weekend at DaAn Park, you can just walk along the park, or if you want to perspire or exercise, you can try this one or just jog around the park. And now I'm starving already. Do you know anywhere else to eat? Let me tell you. Alan knows where to go.
Here we're at the Dongmen station, which is near the Yongkang Street, and I'll take you to explore the delicious cuisine, and I'll let you decide which to eat. Let's go.
Turn up the music 'cause the song just came on. Here and now, I'm talking here and now. Let's go. Turn up the music if they try to turn us down. I'm talking here and now. I'm talking here and now. It's not about
In Yongkang Street, you can see there are many kinds of food, like food in southern Taiwan, or noodles in China, or the Japanese cuisine, or even the Korean kinds of food, and you can choose your favorite one to eat.
Take a look at this gaoji. And this is a Shanghai cuisine. It's in the southern part of China. If you want some Chinese food, you can try this one. But the price is a little bit expensive, so you need to think of your budget. So let's go to another place. Hey everyone, we finally decided where to eat. It's here, Du Xiaoyue. It's a Taiwanese delicacy, but it's an old-fashioned, and it has opened for 100 years. And during the Qing Dynasty, Du Xiaoyue is already open. So come on, let's go. These are delicious. Now we're here at Du Xiaoyue. We ate the braised pork rice, braised pork knuckle, and the fried rice noodles. Yeah, and you can see we have all done because we're so hungry a while ago. But the serving is a little small. So the serving is a little small. You look at this. So we're still not full. So later we're going next door and eat another one. The snowflake ice. Let's go.
At the well-known mango snowflake ice. Here is it's called Smoothie House, and here you can try out the most well-known mango snowflake ice. And now here we go.
So Alan, how is it?
Mr. Cameron, I think you must try it. And it's the mangoes are fresh and the ice cream is sweet. And I think the combination is perfect. Do you want to try this? Okay, that's our itinerary today, and I hope you enjoy it, and I think Mr. Cameron enjoyed it too. And
If you are too lazy to get out of the city, this is a place we recommend to you, and you can also enjoy the rest of staying here in Taiwan. Thank you very much.
thank you, and hope you enjoy our video. Bye bye.